Hi, today's video is going to be about our stay at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. We stayed there in July of 2022 and we had a Woodsview room. So let's get into the room, and as we first walk in, there's a table with two chairs. It's a very bayou themed room. And then if we walk over here, we'll see the two beds. I believe they're queen size. I'm not completely certain of that. Here are some plugins with USB ports, and inside the drawer, we have some storage there. Some artwork on the wall. And then as we pan around, there's a little seat there that will convert into a bed. So let's pull that down and take a look. And it has this really cute theming from Tiana. So cute. So it just pulls right down for a bed. I love that little mural, it's cute. And then there is also storage underneath. So lots of storage underneath. And then if we go over here, there's a coffee maker. They do have they had at that time the Disney's 50th anniversary coffee. And under here is your little fridge. Some storage there, and also some hanging storage there for like a small backpack, something like that. The curtain divides the bedroom from the bathroom, and there's the Princess and the Frog, so cute. And then if we go in here, we go straight into the restroom, to the bathroom area. There's the toilet area, which is combined with the shower area, and there's another scene from Tiana on the shower curtain there, so cute. Let's pull back here and take a look inside the shower. There are your products there on the wall. This was of July 2022, as I said earlier. Here's your, I guess it's like a rain head kind of faucet. And there's some storage back there if you bring your own products that you could set there. Also over here, we have a double sink. There is a pretty large mirror there. And I think there was a mirror also on the bathroom door. Some towels, extra toilet paper. There's a hairdryer down there. Here's the lotion and some soap. And then if we look up here, they have an extra pillow and blanket. That's for that little bed over there. And then here is your hanging storage. It's just an open area for your hanging area for your clothes and things, and the safe was there on the wall. So here's a view of the room from that way. And then this is where the eating area is. There's it's like a quick service restaurant here. We did eat here. Here on the end, we did get this pizza. I think there's a piece missing when we open it up. Yeah, we had already eaten some of it. But the pizza was pretty tasty. There's also other activities here at this resort. One of the things is this fishing hole. This was pretty cute. I think it's cane pole fishing. My son and my husband did this. They said it was fun. If it's hot though, I would recommend going pretty early because it can get really hot in Florida. So do it a little early. I think the fish would probably bite a little bit better if you were there early. So here were the hours when we were there and the rates as well. I had a good time doing this, and that's kind of a different kind of thing to do at Disney. So it's pretty neat. They also have, there was a pool area here. This is the walking area over from out where we were staying, and this was the woods view along the way. Here's that pool area that I was talking about that they have, and I think they offered you could do marshmallows and things. They also have horse and carriage rides that you can pay extra for to do. So if that's something you're interested in, I think you do it there at that main place. And here's the boat launch also, and it's right here where the reception is and where this dining hall is and all of those things. There wasn't a lot to offer as far as activity-wise besides those few things that I'd mentioned earlier. I guess this being a moderate resort, that's all they offered. Besides the campfire, there were some poolside activities. I'm showing you what was offered when we were there. But besides that, there was also the movie night. That's really about it. So just keep that in mind as you're getting a moderate resort. But that was the building that we were staying in. Here's a map of the whole resort area. You can go over to the other side, to the French Quarter, and we did that. And we got these beignets there. They did have also gluten-free beignets. So if you have someone in your party that's gluten-free, they offer those over in the French Quarter. We drove over there, but I think you can also take the boat over there if you want. I think that would be a pretty long walk if you did that, but I'm not even sure if you can walk. I honestly don't know that, but we just drove over there and parked in the main, where the reception was for the resort over in the French Quarter, but the beignets were excellent. Here's another view of the room. We did have 5 in there. It was a little snug, especially if you were staying for a long period of time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.